Candifo ni yen kind or quanchera for young cropono, Arapa only a kind on che yen quino, na some no ane ye uja, na some no emankwa, na some no ema hoto. Arapa yame only a dim kind. Only a dim kind papa. It is a morning that Bidum Sado pay Yanam Muslimi phone in Amaya Fajil. Where's morning prayers, which is very mandatory. Even timer, and you can say fasting. There's a prayer at dawn and at sunrise. I'll pay Yadim says still. Mr. Wak Momuguso Kraka Bear 4-3. Oh. Yaya dio Yaya dia pa ya bomwa Yaya dia ya fasted Yaya dia obo manje bi ne hu mu ye dia Alhamdulillah arapai otofo yakopon otida dim kyeyen otofo yakopon enkaye ho otofo yakopon kayen otofo yakopon ehu ye mobo arapai woni ye nim no ma ye suru nyansa wisdom that we can use to operate under the sun. Ojame maya honhom hunumu, ojame maya honhom aniwa, o maya honhom ntiase. Da pay yetimi e dia bobra no. Arapay say am say, o ma gidifo ntaban ni bi, da ye fa to free helm. It is a brand new day. Arapay ye bedi come him say. PRC for the summer babonten na ni nyina ye say fuo. No entity swaba and pay bedi unkobo. Sa also so na cope for the predictions aba. Said the accord and share fool no. A do 15 Ghana is also buying a fine way a measure sir or the better a year a water so now be ye taxes in be every hodum. I don't pay your better and also there's a lot to talk about this morning. Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa among from Nkwantabisa. We are seated to serve you the biggest breakfast in town. Now pay ehuru sa TV so radio so social medias socials activated, fully activated. Ya kwa kodi kobo na yani yenua Samson Adai. Samson ane director for research monitoring and pricing. Emma Kopek. Arapere Samson ni kobo. Brasa bi arapere ma che.
Ojo
now pom to say
no here now so
obadi adom yaso ya hoye pa na we dia fu ado na adom da otete won che say ya hwe system fu ko bia de be hu say increment aba e de to be honest Sunday no be go to fu andra me duru ba bia so ma sha ase adjusting yoma asesa ya current state of your fu no say Nigeria
Mama Chia what's your fun of face and I the second pricing window started
Sompa FM
na I expect sir you about two full price by 15 to 17%. It is oko and from an pay kusi na number na say china konasa be board na sa na say because of say the second pricing window no full increment na anticipate no na haba.
And they say no all 15 to 70% averagely. Say na ye call a year for pump stance na ye be huno.
Yes, for petrol no on the average price no a bit my about 13 to 14 cedis per liter. Na a year diesel so I about 14 to 15 cedis per liter.
Petrol send and baby crowd 10.46 baby nam 11 points. They say I got 13.
Yes, Osha MPA for a more price floor number by the minimum price that they have petrol 11 cedis 57 pesos per liter. It's between 11 and then 14.
Wow. That's how I say way I then I'm gonna say.
Israel, Iran, and US to Panama.
And you come on your phone be person bet you.
No, because before sent to Panama started no. Na a barrel no $70 and then no can number $103 per barrel. Now Middle East one no about 20% of a year fan why to me German so only fiber. Na Iran for no
Sompa FM.
a pona mo fan unam so by the Gulf of Oman. About the fire Iran or more a crime be a fast for honum. Our friend said this no. A honor Iran for this just I say Omo be am for fan Emma German. It's a look as about 10 to 15,000 ship and I can't figure fan woman it remember. I ran for us I catch on someone Emma a German. It's about say now a supply short for about. And demand was so not supply short for my then a price will increase. And no, and I had a major effect. But the Putin SM dollar now more than was because in 2023 the last time we said international market price in $303 now was in 2022. Russia Ukraine won buy them. But at that time we had a liter 22 cedis per liter for petrol and 23 cedis per liter. But the same price now, but and petrol co 14 cities now use the 15 cities it means see you know it's not play a very important role. Ama yanko do to the 2 and to the 3 now maybe I do $103 it will you could do no ya could do sa hono there's an improvement over Russia Ukraine whatever buy no now you're calling because see not mean I get this strength.
Now something Akobadi say that just from what you are saying say Iran Israel war India. That just second pricing window in India not tell no ebetimi asa akwa animo sento kwa inya ya.
Yes, the first pricing window for the month of April ebetimi akwa anim but you answer from within that 2 weeks no G7 that's ama hodo amo timu pa wias no atna say so omo he so betima boa na omo fuel reserves omo no omo tima yibi dia bedwaman so na tima boa ama supply na control after so Russia ya ban omo say me on fuel so they say US permit some countries some bit out to Russia fuel and US na kasa so omo the soldiers ebedi ship next na the Strait of Hormuz and I say kwan na Iran for etino omatimi the fuel number it's especially within the next 2 weeks e be betima boa ama fuel price number form and from there then be a board
FM
na say no already mo amana mfo edu awafo man so e di May aba say ahwe ya ye behu increment in first. Do you think it's too early?
Yeah, I think it's too early for them to say that because Omuni can say you can be I think maybe because yet to take who was the Bria a bonus no man so it is a abundance of about to be then this is already said a year who were born ever for ma obviously any kind of piano on back to
na all say buying betimi aye bibi because sometimes ago na more case their taxes bi ho a edu ahun ye hia ma aban betimi de ne sa kama ye ho ato e kakra.
Yes, the tax company components that what price build up now. Apart from that, ban once they know they are to know the other taxes are banned suspended. Now, that's all yes to one, but also suspended is a bonus. Let me perform now they are buying a bus if they are 15 cities. Let's say doctor in India. Then I buy also a figure the tax is not that to know. Now to me, you man about from now my bonus about for mine.
Okay. Samson I don't pay my yanasi. All right. Samson Ade Akye director in charge of research, pricing and monitoring. Copec, Chamber of Oil for no I don't pay or also so predictions on we before the second price window baby that almost said the build ups no excess you have found go because of supplier exceed demand no exceed supply no and if that happens na cause a minute shortage and nyase ebi ni okra but said the dodo na obeyanu nya the kobasa na ma ahoyenya other countries no e produce more no e was ya tutu bom now our hope ba ko pa ejina Russia. Well, Russia for I said they will double up, and I said they will add up to a production of oil. And they say US also banned some countries say almost Russia eto munyoma tofu eni ade what will happen is say yeah the sanction beto so not because they believe that the more we buy from Russia no about Russia cash na Russia nya cash on betima ye ammunitions ne bombs ne ade bebre but say omuni sika dia every day ama Russia say Russia as a country on betima ye missiles na on peso mu ye it is ade yen kate sales and as a transaction of air fuel no sales of air fuel no ma other countries are empower Russia. But looking at the situation now we have no option that also to let countries trade with Russia. And now over G7 now, these are powerful countries. America for reserves crowd mu America oil reserves mu enya di omu okra omu mining you di omu wo makto agu storage tanks e ho no eno kra nya asam gitu e dey akese for the maybe omu nya juju aye de hu amane no America ya reserve ho MP be ka che say ya timi adidibua 6 months America for reserve ho timi supply years oil that ta ho do kwa oba to agu ojo mu de oyo natural resource bia on tapo ikra e dia no kwa ya asem keto tao what ya say e tao say pim e Africa for de sabe to be om di ze wura no ko to ma ko ma di o ma bo mu as a nation pa we were talking about that that GPRT force akasa we look at that now. If you are ready, Orlando mo I ready. Ever power my ready day. I tip off no. Ebre yakoba Kwame Jako. Ebetra say sounds no Barbara or Barbara. I don't pay ono an executive producer for the show. Kevin releases any team no. Ejinam gidi OMCR. Mame Komra.